It's okay, I got down here okay, it'll be alright. On our way, leaving Ginny's property. Yeah, but I got here last night, folks. It was easy. He probably went somewhere else. A couple of inches higher, the water, than what it is now. This is crazy. This is Steve's back garden. This is Vinny and Ginny's chalet behind. Totally crazy to do this. Shepperton has never been like this. We'll be alright. We've got 2 sets of us as well. And I got here alright in the dark, for God's sake. You must be alright. We'll be okay.